Hello, good morning, students. I think now you all day by day utilizing your all the verbs and all the things which are going to apply here, and you have to practice well. I have already applied that whether you are going to write any diary, any paragraph, you have to did all the modals, which is all the day which are going to apply all the modals. So do your practice. Today I am going to apply about the modals may and might. First I am going to start may. As you know that may can be used in different form. I am going to apply. First of all, may is used in possibilities. First of all, may can be used to express possibilities. May can be to express possibilities. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today. It may rain. Through this sentence you can understand that it is cloudy today. That means the weather is so cloudy. So saying the condition of the weather, it may rain. It is the possibility that may rain. Second is that may can be used in taking permission. May can be used in taking permission as a polite manner. Like you can understand from this example, may I sit here? May I take your pay? May I take your pay? That means here you are asking, you are taking permission for anybody. So may can be used in commonly your day by day in the classroom also. You are taking permission where are entering in the hall, or you are entering in the classroom. You are taking permission from the teacher. Third thing is that may can be used. Third is may can be used in taking. May can be used in wishing good wishes, or like a dam just apprising you. Third is that may can be used. Third, may can be used for wishes, desire, etc. Like may you live long. May you live long. May God bless you. That means you are going to wish anybody, or it is your desire that you can fulfill your all the things. Suppose if you are going to give any exam, or if you have any ambition, that you can may pray from God that may God help him in achieving all his ambition or the destination he is going to make. Fourth one, may can be used regarding purpose permission purpose reason. You can better understand from this example. He studies hard so that he may get good marks. He studies hard so that he studies hard so he may get good marks. That means when you are going to apply any region, in that very case may can be utilized in that form. Now the second is that might. Second is that you can use, second is here, in case of might, like I am just surprising you. Might, as you know that might is the past form of may, and it can be used in different form also. The first is that might is mostly used in possibilities. Might is mostly used in possibilities. Like I am just apprising you, your purse might be in dining hall. Your purse might be in dining hall. That means from this example you can understand that suppose if you have visited any place and you that time you had gone to sit or gone to dining hall and you forgot to take the things, so you can just it is possibilities that your purse would be in the dining hall. Second is that might can be used